Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is a quick walk around video of this gorgeous, nearly pristine 2004 Chevy S10 Blazer LS four-wheel drive with 84,000 miles. You can just see how just absolutely clean it is. There's not a dent on it. It is just clean and straight as a pin. Very well maintained by the previous owner. And you can just tell. There's the outside, really clean and straight and all original. There's the roof. Show you the interior. Just a really, what we would call a crisp interior. Just no dents on the outside, no scratches, no rips, no tears, no stains, no smells on the inside. Everything works. None of the buttons are worn out. There's your Alpine touchscreen, which I'll get into in a minute. Just a clean, almost new inside. It's unbelievable. Headliner, no stains anywhere. Doesn't even look like the back seat's been sit in. I'm sure you've heard that a few times, but this really, I mean, if you just look at just how nothing's crushed down, it just looks and feels brand new. Carpets too. Everything. No scratches in the plastic. Like I said, all the buttons, everything's fresh. Go ahead and pop the back. Push this button. Glass pops up. Reach in with your hand, the lever, gate goes down, and you're ready for the beach as soon as it warms up. Like, no dogs, no scratches, no hair. Clean. This is a custom fit box. There's actually a speaker in here that ties into that Alpine unit. That's the only aftermarket setup, as he upgraded and modernized the audio and technology. Oh, and I'll talk about this too. This is a 4K audio and video recording, which is in addition to the actual backup camera. It's a separate system. Car cam, they call it. Almost brand new Michelin tires. Just the tread is just super deep. This is a 60-40 split bench. These both fold as soon as you lift the lever here in the back. The headrest automatically pops. To give room, this automatically pops, and voila. They both fold flat, by the way, so you can sleep back here or whatever. Oh, fired up. Starts right up, purrs like a kitten. No issues mechanically either. It rides and drives as nice as it looks. There's the Alpine unit firing up. Pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine running. There we go.